At the mouth of his cave, young Dusty struggles to unleash a fiery breath, but only smoke escapes. Frustration mounts as Dusty sighs, his efforts proving futile. A sudden tickle overwhelms him, leading to an uncontrollable, explosive sneeze. The force of the sneeze devastates the landscape, felling trees with its sheer power. In the village, chaos erupts as villagers scatter in terror, a dark storm looming above. The wind howls, and the first drops of rain begin to fall, signaling impending doom. The mayor shouts, "We need to do something before the storm destroys our homes!" Dusty approaches the village, his heart pounding with a mix of determination and trepidation as the storm looms. He stands firm, positioning himself directly in front of the menacing clouds. Dusty closes his eyes, focusing all his energy, and unleashes an even mightier Aku! The villagers erupt in cheers, celebrating Dusty's heroism. The mayor steps forward, presenting Dusty with a medal of wildflowers. Dusty's pride swells, but a familiar twitch returns. "Stand back, everyone. I feel a tickle coming on." Dusty quickly retreats from the crowd, his eyes wide with alarm.